Hello everyone, I am Sherry from Beijing Hengrui. We will bring you several axial fans used in raw air conditioners for data center in this video. Fan advantages: optimized blade design can effectively reduce noise using PWM control signal input for speed control, which can achieve stepless speed regulation, significantly improve the system cooling effect, and accurately control the ambient temperature. Redundant design, easy to maintain and reduces operating costs. 24 hours non-stop operation. Long service life. Ideal for 300mm and 600mm inter-row air conditioners. Let's check out these fans under operating condition with our technical engineer. The first model is 2218F/2TDH40-227. With a size of 200 by 200 by 50.8 mm. The impeller is made of plastic. The casing is made of metal. Operating temperatures range from -25 degrees to 60 degrees Celsius. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 48 volt. Rated current 2.1 ampere. Rated power 103 watt. Rated speed 6,500 RPM. The maximum air volume is 1,230 cubic meter per hour. The maximum static pressure is 1,180 Pa. The second model is VWLH200CKLXS. With a size of 200 by 200 by 70 mm. The impeller is made of plastic. The casing is made of mixed materials. Operating temperature is between -20 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 48 volt. Rated current 7.25 ampere. Rated power 348 watt. Rated speed 7,000 RPM. The maximum air volume is 1,820 cubic meter per hour. The maximum static pressure is 1,300 Pa. The third model is W1G180-AB31-01. With a size of 220 by 220 by 70 mm. The impeller is made of PP plastic. The motor is made of die-cast aluminum. Operating temperature is between -25 degrees and 60 degrees Celsius. Here are its parameters. Rated voltage 24 volt. Rated current 4.3 ampere. Rated power 93 watt. Rated speed 4,550 RPM. The maximum air volume is 900 cubic meter per hour. The maximum static pressure is 715 Pa. You can always communicate with us about your special requirements, such as application and back pressure requirements, as well as different combinations of drives and innovative components. We can provide you with a comprehensive, efficient, and energy-saving cooling solution. For more good fans, please follow us.